What the hell kind of sneeze was that? Her eye's gonna pop out.
Hola, soy la doctora Valentina.
What is happening? What is going on? Why does this woman look like this? Me trying to stay awake at school. How much more is there? Oh God, there's so much more. Okay. Composure. Absolute composure.
Yo no tengo ningún problema. Y ha sido evaluada por varios profesionales.
Is she on bag? The comments are just on fire as well. I mean, oh God. I don't think I can watch any more of this.